so many corns right there. Okay, I'm gonna go under the sand so I don't get any corns. Okay, I stepped on like 6.
Just come on.
Go. Okay,
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Everything.
Look at this. Oh great, I'm glad I can step on the gravel now. Good rocks. Ow. Yes. Crap, now we have to, we go this way. We've arrived at the factory's premises. Oh, this is fun to step on.
The test of
My... Totally spilling rocks all over the tracks. We've arrived. We're not even that far off. Oh my gosh, the factory. Oh. If we see someone and they get mad at us and shoot us and then arrest us.
no shoes on.
Shoes, no service.
If we had shoes, they'd be fine with it, but since we don't, they're gonna arrest us.
I'd be happy.
No!
We wouldn't get arrested. Yeah, that's what Diego always says. If the cops come, at least we can get a ride home. Gray sand. Disgusting. I want to go down this.
I'll go down this too. Fit 5.
Impact.
Ah.
I feel like dying.
It's so energy draining.
I can't die.
Oh. Cause that's just who I am this week. What's that, Kevin?
I don't remember that.
6th grade, I asked him what a mausoleum was.
Who?
I asked Kevin.
Oh.
And I remember asking him, and he remembers me asking him too.
Yeah. Mausoleum, it's like...
I know! I learned
I
it
just
6th
remember
grade.
because I watched Haunted Mansion in 5th grade. Like, go to the mausoleum.
I've never seen the whole movie.
We're going.
The whole ride.
This feels weird.
This used to be water. Or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so weird.
Oil.
Oh, it feels good.
Feels, I should just try like...
What if it's awful?
Good guess.
You should have snowing.
What if someone just came around this corner? What would we even say? What are we gonna say?
Hello.
We're going to the factory.
We'd say we didn't know it was over here, and we always wanted to like check it out.
Yeah, and also record what we find.
And
I
then
think we were like suspicious, like customers who got like pissed, and they're like, "What really goes down at the factory?" Took our camera.
illegal immigrants are being abused.
Illegal Americans.
Immigrants.
That's what you said.
I want to be an immigrant. I want to be an immigrant.
It's so freaking bad.
Ew. How many songs can we merge?
I never had.
Mad Hatter.
Ew.
It's not even a song. What is
How's
this?
that? How's that even fit into anything?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Too tired.
No, you can't record because you can't do it if I'm people.
We're in a crater right now.
I forgot to eat. Because I feel like dying now.
You want me to hug you?
We're almost there.
Ah,
It's time for a little bro.
milkshake is not good.
We're having a little bromance.
You got a steak? We don't have any steak.
Let's go.
Actually, I was going to bring some, but I instead decided to wear pants. What are you doing?
It's fun. I'm gonna go scout ahead.
Oh, I think these are ashes.
They're not ashes.
It looks and feels like ashes. I love that everything you take. You are me.
My eyes. I know it's all over my eyes. Let's go. Let's get out of this. It's way too airy. It's way too ashy. I know.
Guys, I think we're gonna get black lung.
I think we have black lung right now. Where's our canary?
Oh, that's our step on.
compared to the ashes.
God. Yeah, we need a canary.
Coughing up feathers.
Next time, let's go buy a canary. Coughing up feathers and bring it back here.
Emerald City. Coughing up feathers.
Wow.
Yeah.
I just love to speak.
But you see that little white appendage hanging off the top of it?
That's a camera. This is kind of creepy. Crazy.
I feel like dying.
Look.
Fresh water.
This is the opposite of fresh. It actually looks really fresh. But look, there are peas in it.
Ew, I think those are baby mosquitoes.
Those are tadpoles.
Take a
sir.
dip, guys.
All of them's rolling in the
Save it? No.
Ew, Aaron. Oh god.
It's still rolling in the current.
Rolling in the deep.
We should take a picture on this thing. Guys, let's take a pic. Yeah, why does the sand feel toxic?
Because it's watery.
No, it's definitely not water. It's toxic. Okay, let's take pictures. More pictures.